Did you ever wonder if there's a way to silence the air conditioner in your RV? Well, today we have a product that we're going to share with you that should help you do just that, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Aaron and you're watching Three Tails RV. If this is your first time here, we'd love to have you subscribe and become a member of our growing community. And with that out of the way, let's get talking about today's product. Because we were having a lot of difficulties while trying to watch TV while the air conditioner was on. It was a constant battle between, did we want to stay cool or did we want to watch TV? Today we're going to share with you the RV silencer brought to you by Wacko Products. We're going to do a unboxing, we'll do an install, and we're also going to do a quick review of this product. So that's enough talk, let's get to it. So let's go ahead and get unboxing here. And in the bottom box we have a 2020 by 20 finishing trim kit. This one is for the Coleman AC units, so you'll have to purchase an extra item for the Coleman. The CT204 is the product number on that. All right, so inside the first box here we have the silencer cover. Nice color, hard plastic, good nice feel. Inside is the dampening silencer. And we have a parts kit inside. Let's see what we got inside this box real quick. We have the installation manual, which we'll be going over here in a quick minute. We have a filter, aluminum high vac tape, extra foam, 4 bolts, 4 long screws, and 7 smaller screws. Also, we have the bottom here, made of a really hard plastic also. And as you can see, there are screws, and then there will be bolts. The bolts in, there's 4 of those. Frame here, and that's where the filter goes, so you don't have any filter collapse in the center of this. So that is the unboxing. So we're inside the coach now and we're getting ready to do the install of the silencer. But the first thing I wanted to do is go ahead and do a little scientific testing here. I downloaded a dB meter onto my phone. And what we're going to do is do a baseline with the AC completely off, just the noise levels inside the coach. All right, so for that test, it was in the upper 40s to lower 50s. So that gives us a baseline with just the silence inside the cab. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the air conditioner with the old system in place, and we'll take another reading and see what the difference is between the two. And just before the end of the video, we're going to go ahead and do one more after the silencer's installed, so that gives you an idea of what the levels are and if it has made any drastic changes. So right now the AC is on, and we're going to go ahead and run this test one more time to see what the levels are. So what it looks like, we've got readings there of the upper 60s, lower 70s for the dB range. What you're going to need for this build is very simple. You're going to need a screwdriver with a Phillips head bit. So do not attempt to do this install with a drill or a corded drill or a cordless drill. What you're possibly going to end up doing is breaking the plastic on your new silencer, and we don't want to start out that way with the new product. So make sure that you're not going to use a drill. Do not use a drill. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this cover off. There are 4 screws in the cover, and we're going to go ahead and take them out.
Now that we got that out of the way, we're going to take off this base plate right here.
Now that we got the base plate out of the way, at this point, this is where that foam piece comes in. What we're going to do is we're going to run it from here over to here. So there is the install of the little piece of foam. For the next part of the installation, we're going to be using the extension kit and our black base. What I went ahead and did is I put a screw in the location that we're going to start with. We're just going to come up here and we're going to put it in a small hole and do the same thing. We're just going to start it. I'm not going to put it all the way in. I'm not going to tighten it down yet. And the reason why I did that is we want to go around it and make sure that everything, that all the holes are lined up before we tighten it down. Oh, there's one more that we need to do, and that's going to be the one right here at the nose. And now we're just going to go around the perimeter. We're going to snug everything back up. You don't want to over tighten it. You don't want to strip out the holes. You'll notice that there's only 4 large screws left. And we're going to put those 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. So we're going to get them started. But we're not going to tighten them all the way down, and I'll show you why here in a second. We're going to leave about a 1/2 inch of space on them. A half inch of thread sticking out. We got the base plate on there. We're going to use the foil tape provided, and what we're going to do is go around the outside of all of this area right in here. To do mine, I used about half the spool. I would recommend using as much as you need to. I wouldn't skimp on it because it just leaks, and when it leaks, then you're not getting the coldest air possible into your RV. We're going to take the filter, and you're going to see the keyhole. We're going to line that up on one side, then the other, and we're going to pull it forward. That's how it locks into place. And now we're just going to tighten down the screws. Now you're going to check to make sure that it's nice and flush all the way around the outside. And the way that it's sitting in there now, you just pull the cover off, pull it through the keyhole, and your filter comes out. Now that we're talking about filters, according to the manufacturer of these filters, you don't even need to take them out. Vacuum attachment, and it'll clean these right up, or you can take it out, rinse it off in the sink, and then you just simply put it right back into place. With the orientation on the lid, there is an arrow. It's going to go the same orientation as the base did. We're just going to put the cover up there. The last remaining 4 screws on the side here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put up a picture of the old AC vent, and then with the RV AC silencer,